FLYINGCAM is a 30 years old company, a leader in unmanned aircraft aviation. We started in the movie industry with 2 Oscars. We discovered there's a lot of different applications of drones. So we combine this know-how of 30 years, the technology development that the 21st century needed us to. We bring all that together in one unique product, which is the SARA system. This is a fully electric helicopter. This is the best in the world in this category today, and equipped with here a Wriggle scanner, which is something to basically scan at a 5mm resolution any object on the surface of the planet. This scanner, for example, here is used for railway inspection. Those inspections are usually done on the ground with people that are walking and just setting the scanner at different locations. We recently did a survey of the Marseille train station for the railway station in France, and in 56 minutes of flight time, with a result of 5mm resolution, we could do something that normally takes 2.5 months for 2 people. So it means that we are like 10 times more efficient to do the same surveillance job for inspecting railway. We also did integrate recently a magnetic field sensor. Will detect anomaly, a magnetic source on the surface of the Earth. It could be a sunk boat, it could be a submarine, it could be mines, or it could be for mining, detecting where to dig for certain iron ore layers under the ground that you could detect with this kind of sensor. So there is really a broad range of application. With this, you can explore further what is possible, and we have been doing that for 30 years, pushing the limits, showing what is possible, and make the impossible reachable. What I really admire here at SITMP is that you're not talking, you are doing it. And I can feel that you are into the technology with the will to have the young people participating and to write the future rather than follow. It gives me goosebumps when I went to the Drone Fest here about a few months ago. And I can feel also that the people are really open to the future. And SITMP was there to get it at the right moment, I mean, to the edge. It was amazing that you have now 100 megapixels at your disposal, twice of what you would see in a movie, Mission Impossible 6 today. Yeah, you beat Tom Cruise. You're already in Mission Impossible 7. Mission Possible.